Okay, we're just going to quickly look at a feature of Excel which is quite sexy if you want to use it. I'm just going to highlight row 3 and I'm just going to go up to Data and I'm going to click on Filter, and what you can see is now we've got a series of drop down boxes. So here we're looking at our Xero contact data, and in some of the columns are the account nominal code, default account nominal code. What this enables me to do is pull down a box here and say, oh, I just want to see, I don't want to see any blanks, I want to see the ones I've got filled in, and there they are. So using PostTrans, I could now, well, it seems fairly pointless to alter the description, but I can alter the records I'm interested in and press import and update that one record. And of course, if we double click on it, we see the description, the company name's changed. But this can be very, very useful, but you must bear in mind that the other rows still exist in the spreadsheet. So yeah, but it's a rather nice feature of Excel that possibly people don't realise.